Looking for a highly equipped SUV with all the right options and reliability? We'll take a look at this 2022 Jeep Wagoneer Obsidian in Silver Zenith. With bi-xenon HID headlamps, DROWSY driver detection, 22-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot and crosspath detection, LED tail lamps, tow package, heated and ventilated front seats, heated steering wheel, 5,000 miles on the odometer, 12-inch touchscreen, navigation, rear backup camera, select terrain system, second row heated seats, tri-pane panoramic sunroof, power liftgate, 6.4-liter V8 HEMI engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D7041.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.